So here today doing an unboxing of the JBL Charge 6, and as you guys know, the JBL Charge 5, which I reviewed, was one of my favourite speakers of last year, and I can't wait to jump in and have a look at this, and it really is a massively improved version, which we're going to go into shortly. So here's a speaker just here, so let's take it out and actually get in there and have a look at it. So here we go. Now again, same lovely packaging as always with JBL. They really do go all out with their packaging. And to start with, there's a bit more about the Charge 6 now. Now, similar to the Flip 7, they've actually introduced smart hooking, so you can actually use it to carry it. They didn't have that previously with the Charge 5, which is great. So you can use it carrying around to the beach if you want, using the cables, which I think is a great touch. So instruction guide you get in there, and you get the carrying strap, which I'll demonstrate to you guys in a moment. I know how excited you guys are to see the speaker, so let's take it out just now. Now here it is. Now there's no USB-C cable in this. They've done that to try and cut down on packaging, which I don't mind, to be honest. Everyone's got USB cables these days. Pop that away. And again, look at this. Now here it is. Now, isn't this absolutely beautiful? So there is the JBL Charge 6. Now it weighs around about 1 kilo, which is nice. Now it's got these straps there similar to what the JBL Extreme 4 has. So you're getting that ability to carry it with you, which is great. So you can carry it in your hand. I've got it holding in one hand there, as you can see. Now it's got 28 hours battery life in it. It takes about 3 hours to charge, which is pretty quick. Now this also works as a power bank. So if we look on the back there, you can actually use this to charge your devices, which I think is fantastic touch. And on the bottom there, that's to stop it from slipping. Now, again, the build quality absolutely feels amazing. I mean, look at that lovely design. Isn't it absolutely stunning? You've got the big bass speakers at the back here and radiators, which we'll go into a bit more about them shortly. And on the front here, you've got the Oracast technology to pair, Bluetooth and to turn on. And obviously you can use the controls there to do it. And a beautiful big JBL symbol there at the front. So it really is stunning. Now, similar to last time, it is IP68 dustproof and waterproof. So it basically means they've also said in this that if you drop it from 1 meter onto a concrete floor, it actually will survive. Now, I don't want to damage the speaker, but I'm sure there's other people testing that online. Again, a lot more hardy than the JBL Charge 5, which is good. Feels slightly bigger, actually. I've got to test the measurements of them than the JBL Charge 5. Now, you've got Oracast built, which means you can do multiple speakers together, which we've tested out in the past. Now, this has AI sound boost as well. So essentially what it does is it uses AI to look at the sound to make sure you're getting the best sound possible out of your speakers, which I think is absolutely fantastic. Now, if you get 10 minutes charging this as well, you'll get about 2 hours playback, which is great if you're running short. It also has 30 watts RMS in the woofer and 15 RMS watts for the tweeter as well. So you're really getting a big sound out of that as well, which is great. And so you can put it under 1.5 meters of water, fresh water for up to 30 minutes as well. You also get lossless audio as well. By using the USB-C port at the back here, you can charge devices, but you can also use it to connect to your laptop if you want, which is a great little feature. And again, you've got the JBL app you can use to completely customize the music. I'm going to put on the strap now to show you guys how easy that is. So we go to the box, put the strap like this, as you can see, and it's that easy as you put it through here. So I want to go that way with the label. So we put it through like that and put it up there like that as well. Now, isn't that a lovely touch from JBL too? They're really thinking not only leaders in sound, also leaders in style too. So you put that through as well. And I can't wait to test out this sound, guys, to show you exactly how good it sounds. Let's put that through there too. And just like that. So now you can carry it when you're running around. Look at that. A great speaker. I really love it.